ebi byagambwe rizoba ubwo abany'ishengyero bakushitama akacikwaka babanu barambure ngutezi ahuzahika engutezi hari Mbarara Road, Stanley Road hamwe na Major Victor Bwana kandi ezi zino buringo bwa kilomita 2 kandi government yakatekaho billion 23 wahika hanguto Mbarara Road hamwe na Stanley Road tizikamazire sande zicurwe korasi konka zatandikire kureta mizi agarukurwo munda bamukurambure ngutezi wakwasire mpatana ba Multiplex Limited bayeshereka kandi no mu rukiko rwabaha kanso ya Mbarara City naho tubarebukaho
Stanley. Before these rains end, we shall have a pothole. We are here. The gentleman that goes out and explains things with all his science, and they could not add up.
But let's make it very clear to the authorities that the work in Mbarara is shoddy in the real sense of the word, and the contractor should be assisted to make it better, or they give it to another person to do it.
Aba bayorekangwe mfuregere kutwara umutunga ukurwo mu ruguto rwa Stanley Road ekozirwe kubi ahabwo kuba neshuka mizi omakaga abantu.
But may we have seen there is serious problem in regards to drainage. Much as they are talking of putting the walkway, but the way they are constructing the drainage is I'm telling you, it's uncalled.
All the works that Multiplex has done on this project, we subject those works to tests. And these tests are done at the government analytical laboratory, as well as we also have an independent laboratory in Kampala.
You cannot imagine a contractor who knows they are going to supervise him because of the sites. By the way, where is the copy of the arbitration?
Abwo kushanga ngu programu ejeri kutebwa mu center ba World Bank aneja kwayo kwezo kurukwija Robert Mugabe Kachebezi yashaba mu government yebongera obwire.
It's not only here. Actually, they are talking about only Mbarara, but the program even somewhere else, that money will not have been utilized for. That they extend for us, such that we can finish up properly the works for at least 6 months.
Aba nabwanyuma bayongera entunga muhama na kabare abo bakuza kurambure nguto nizo zumwe Adolf Ireka TV West Agacencwire.